So on my last oil change, I did the most horrible mistake. I was tightening the drain bolt using torque specs that were in the service manual. And this oil pan is aluminum. So never made that mistake. Do not use torque specs in a service manual for oil pan. The reason is aluminum is very soft material. So if you keep using the same torque specs, eventually you're gonna mess up with the threads in an oiled pan. So that's what happened. And there are a couple possible solutions. The best one and more toughest one is to replace oil pan. Second option is to create a thread over there, but it's tough to reach, probably, which would require removing oil pan as well. And final option is just to find a long threaded bolt, drain bolt, and use that instead of the original one. So other option, which would be nice if it were to work, is to put a valve, like a drain valve instead of drain bolt. That way you don't have to ever actually remove the valve or bolt. But the thread on that was too short. Here's a comparison video. Okay, so compare thread here and on this one. So it seemed like solution gonna be using this drain plug for a while, since most of the threads are all messed up, but if half of them are good, this one gonna work. Obviously the smaller one definitely not gonna work. And on top of it, it's also time for oil change. My recommendation, if you do similar repair, just wait when it's time for oil change. First step I'll do is I'll warm the engine in the truck, which means I'll just turn it on and let it run for 5-10 minutes. So engine is nice and warm. You probably don't even need to use a ramp, but it'll be easier to get to it if you use one. Here's my oil container. I'm gonna use 17mm socket to remove the drain bolt right there. It shouldn't be tight, because last time I didn't. I made sure not to over tighten it. This part were pretty easy to get dirty. I don't know what the heck I looked at before, but it doesn't look like that it is smaller. I mean that it is longer. Okay, so first plan didn't really work out. They're pretty much same size. Just went to Ace Hardware, got this bolt for $370. 2 washers just in case, 75 cents each, and that's a crusher washer. So I'll probably try to do it like this. That way it'll be a couple more threads. It should be good enough. So I'm still not sure if all this is gonna be in the way. Might be kind of tough. Well, socket size for this one is 22, so honestly I don't have high hopes for this. There you go. Well, it actually worked. Okay, well, we'll see. We'll do more testing. We'll double check once we fill the oil. So next step is we're gonna remove filter. Okay, let's see if it's gonna come out with gloves. Shouldn't be too bad. with vice grips. There you go. Okay, I'll get another filter, and I'm gonna use K&N filter again. They're actually my favorite because it's fairly easy to remove in case it gets stuck. And the model number for the filter is HP 1010. I'm gonna put some oil on the gasket, put it on. That should be good. So now it's time to fill engine with oil, and oil capacity here is 4.5 quarts. Got my funnel. So after I put about half, I always just look under the engine to make sure there is no leaks. And I'll do it again later on when I start the engine. So now I'll start the truck. I'm gonna look under the truck, make sure nothing is leaking. Perfect. I'll keep those drain balls just in case I will decide to replace oil pan later on. If you wanna see video of me replacing it, let me know. That way maybe I'll speed up that process or get to it faster. Okay, time to reset the oil change light. Oil life at 30. I'm gonna click select to service, due soon. I'm gonna hold reset button. It says reset option. I'm gonna put select, yes. I'm gonna put push reset. Now oil life is at 100%. Select back to mileage. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I'll do more videos pertaining to this truck, including upgrades, maybe couple repairs, but now mostly upgrades. If you want to see more, please subscribe to this channel. If you enjoyed this video, another reason to subscribe, as it helps me to create more videos and keep the channel growing. Any tools or some of the tools I used in this video, I'll leave you Amazon links below the video. If you're interested in buying them, just follow those links. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.